So as you will have seen by the intro in this video, more and more people are jumping onto TikTok Shop as opposed to the Creativity Program beta, and there's a really good reason why. In coming months, you're going to see more and more videos of people talking about their results as TikTok Shop affiliates and some as TikTok Shop owners. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my journey as I've recently started a TikTok Shop affiliate account. I'm going to walk you through what the background looks like so you guys have an idea of what to expect once you start your own TikTok Shop account. And my intention is for this to become a series and walk you guys through what my account looks like as it continues to grow as well. Don't expect to be blown away by any crazy high numbers here. As I say, I've recently just started, but there are 5 key points that I'm going to walk you through in this video as we go along. This is also a sequel to a previous video that I did on another experiment where I started a separate TikTok Shop affiliate account. I set a goal of earning £100 as a TikTok Shop affiliate, which I completely smashed. I've linked that video in the description if you want to check that out as well. But this is a completely separate account that I've recently started. It's not the same account as before, although that account is also running. Let's jump straight into this video. So to start off with, the difference between TikTok Shop and TikTok Shop affiliates. Firstly, let's define what TikTok Shop is. So as you can see on the screen there, it's a one-stop e-commerce solution for driving sales and brand growth on TikTok. It allows sellers to sell products directly on TikTok through in-feed videos, lives, and the Showcase tab. This enables product discovery, product details, checkout, and post-payment activity all within the TikTok app as well. So at the very bottom of the screen there, I'm going to click on Shop, and as you can see, these are the different options and different products that are available on TikTok Shop, and this is what you should be seeing as well if you have access to TikTok Shop tab. Now, this tab is for using, and this is for purchasing and interacting with TikTok Shop. This is not necessarily you being the shop owner or you being the affiliate or managing any of the back end. This is you being the consumer, and this is the POV that you will get essentially, and this is what you will see as a consumer. You can see some of the videos here that are being showcased. These are videos from creators that are promoting these products. They're either going to be from the shop itself, or it's going to be from creators that are promoting the products from the shop. So the relationship that we're going to focus on in this video, or this video series, if it turns into that, is TikTok Shop affiliates. Now, in terms of what we're talking about when we're talking about TikTok Shop affiliates, as you can see there, Creator TikTok Shop is an affiliate platform which gives creators the opportunity to monetize their content, creativity, and influence by collaborating with merchants on TikTok. So all this means is, as a TikTok Shop affiliate, you are going to take these products that you can see here on TikTok Shop, and you are going to be promoting these products to your viewers. Now, in terms of what we're going to be focusing on, again, in this video, we're not going to be focusing on being a TikTok Shop owner and that side of it. We're not going to be focusing on promoting using lives as well. We're mainly going to be focusing on the journey of being a TikTok Shop affiliate. As you've seen from the intro, those are people that are TikTok Shop affiliates, and we're going to look at what the potential is and how you practically manage your account as a TikTok Shop affiliate. So that is what we're going to be focusing on. So in order to become a TikTok Shop affiliate in the UK, you need to be obviously located in the UK, you need to be over the age of 18, and you need to have a minimum of 1,000 followers, and you need to have posted a video in the last 28 days as well. Now, if you're based in the USA, at the time of recording this video, you need to have, I believe, 5,000 followers. Again, you need to have posted over the last 28 days, and you need to be based in the US, and you need to be able to prove that you are a US citizen as well. And obviously, you need to be over the age of 18 as well. Again, requirements may change over time, but at the time of recording this video, that is what the requirements look like. There is a backdoor and there is a way to override that, which has worked for me on this particular account. For example, I'm going to show you how many followers I have. So as you can see, I've got 63 followers, meeting neither of these requirements, and I am based in the United Kingdom. And the reason why I've done that is because I've set up my affiliate account as a TikTok Shop owner. So I've said to TikTok, I'm setting up a TikTok Shop account, not a TikTok affiliate account. And the benefit of doing that is, once you do that, TikTok gives you all the access of an affiliate as well. Not only do they give you the tools to become a TikTok shop owner, but you get the tools to become a TikTok affiliate as well from zero, from the get-go, even if you haven't got any followers. So you can basically start promoting products from scratch. And the view from TikTok is that because they're giving you these tools, this allows you to promote your own products. But of course, people have found a workaround to use this method in order to promote products from other shops as well, which TikTok seems to be fine with at the moment. Now, I believe TikTok may be changing that at some point. I'm not entirely sure when, but at the time of recording this video, it is a strategy that works. As you can see, it's something that I've done on this particular account as well. If you're based in the United Kingdom, in order to have a TikTok shop, you need to prove that you are a citizen in the United Kingdom. You need to have a British passport, which I have provided. You need to show a utility bill, and it's a very, very simple and straightforward process to set up. So this is the website that you go on to sign up as a TikTok shop seller. You go into TikTok shop, become a UK seller, and you essentially fill in your details on here, and it takes you through 2 or 3 pages of information, which is very simple and straightforward. They don't ask you for the sun, the moon, and the earth. They literally just ask you for your identification information, and they don't necessarily ask for any business paperwork as well. So you don't have to prove that you have got a legitimate business. They ask you just for your individual information. You just need to obviously make sure that you are selecting the right options in order to do that as well. So that is how you set up your account. You either set it up as a TikTok shop affiliate if you do meet those follower requirements, or if you don't, you can set it up as a TikTok shop owner at the time of recording this video. In terms of the algorithm push, now if you look at the size of my account here, you can see I've got 63 followers, as I've mentioned earlier. This account has not been live for long either. However, if you look in the last 7 days, this is what my dashboard looks like. My analytics show that I've had 19,000 views, 21 followers gained in the last 7 days, and I've had 324 likes. And if we go and view the last 28 days, you can see that I've had 48k video views, 302 profile views. So if I had a link in my description, potentially that would have been visited 302 times, but you don't get a link in your description just yet until you still meet the normal requirements, which I believe are 1,000 followers. I've had 767 likes. I've had 151 comments as well. Remember, this is less than even 100 follower account. And if we look in the last 60 days, I don't believe I have, because I've only had this for like less than even the last 30 days. In fact, I started posting on this account around the 29th of January. If I go further back than the 29th, there's not a whole lot of activity. But yeah, so from around the 28th of January to the middle of Feb, which is where we are now, these are my view metrics: 48k views, 302 profile views, 767 likes, 151 comments, which is absolutely insane. And a lot of my videos as well, I'm not getting stuck in the 200 view jail or anything like that. And the reason for this is quite simple. This is something that I've mentioned in previous videos. TikTok is pushing TikTok shop content like crazy. The reason for that is because TikTok benefits from this relationship as well, because the more you sell, the more TikTok makes money, and of course the more the shop owner makes as well when you are a shop affiliate. So essentially what you're doing as an affiliate is you're selecting products from certain shops that resonate with you and the vision that you've got for your account. You're promoting those products by creating videos around them. From there, you then make a set commission. The shop makes money, TikTok makes money as well. Once you have access to TikTok shop, this is what you will see. So I'm just going to go into TikTok shop here, and I've just gone into the product marketplace here on TikTok shop. So this is where you can select products to promote on your TikTok shop account. As you can see, there's various categories that TikTok offers you here. There is a for you section. So the algorithm of the TikTok shop product marketplace shows you what it thinks will be best for your account in order for you to promote. There's home and garden, sports and outdoors, electronics and office, women, fashion, beauty, food and drinks, personal and health, fashion accessories. As you can see, the list goes on and on. You also have an option to view best sellers as well. So what products are currently selling from what shops. Now, what you'll notice next to the price, if we look at that new rechargeable wireless hair straightener, I think it is, you'll notice that it's got the $21.99 price, but you'll notice just above that it's got $3.96. What that is the commission that I would get, the TikTok Shop affiliate, if I was to promote that product and someone purchased it through my link. For that projector light, I would get $113, and you can see the rest there. The list goes on. Some commissions are high, some commissions are low. Now, what I've found is the relationship between high commissions and the shops basically is generally high commissions is when the shops are still relatively new. They still haven't sold a ton of products. They generally give higher commissions because they want more product sales and they want more product reviews from people that have received them. Whereas with the ones that tend to have the lower commissions, they tend to have sold a lot more. They're not necessarily that desperate for sales. Yes, they do want you to sell, but they don't necessarily need those initial customers because they've already had them. Like, for example, if you look at the shop that I've clicked on here, they've had 62.1k of these little astronaut projectors sold. So they've had a ton sold. They've got 4.6 stars average rating from the people that have received the astronaut projectors. So they're not that desperate for me to sell that product, hence why the commission is so low at only 10%. However, you'll find that the ones that have a really high commission tend to be ones that are still on that journey, still trying to get those initial first few customers and those initial reviews. And then once they get that, they tend to level out and not offer as much commission. So you've got bestsellers, you've got new in, you've got trending shops as well. So you can go in and see what the best selling or trending shops are selling, and you can choose products from those as well. And you've also got more recommendations from the TikTok Shop for you recommendation there. So there's a ton of different products as well. And I know a lot of people are skeptical about buying from TikTok Shop. There seems to be a taboo around purchasing from TikTok, but I can tell you for a fact these are the same products, a lot of them that you'll find on Amazon, and ultimately they come from the same suppliers. It's just people that have bought them here and stuck their own brand on it, and now they're just selling it on TikTok Shop as their own. But ultimately it's the same quality, same suppliers as what you buy on Amazon. Amazon probably charges twice as much as this in some cases, just because they are Amazon. But I've purchased myself quite a few products from here and there's been absolutely nothing wrong with them. My sales so far, so in the last 7 days I've had 2 sales that from my TikTok Shop. So if I click into my results here, that will make a lot more sense. There we go. So I've had 2 orders in the last 7 days. But if we look at my commission base, if you look a bit further down under where it's got affiliate, so what that is the total worth of what I've sold. So in total for the shop owners, I've sold £28.11, and my commission that's going to be coming to me is £2.81 from those 2 sales. All the different terms are explained there as well, like for example GMV, the basis for calculating commission, orders, items sold. So all of this stuff is explained for you in the dashboard here. But if we look at month, so if I filter down to month, which is February, you can see overall I've had 6 orders in the month of February. I've had 1,000 product clicks from the videos that I've created. People have clicked the products that I'm promoting 1,000 times. And overall, my commission base, or how much I've sold, the revenue is $126.25, and then the estimated commission from that revenue, which is what's coming into my pockets, is £12.62. And if we filter down by January, again, I hadn't been up and running for long in January, but we're 99 product clicks. There was 1 order that was 247. I think it was a microphone or something, and there was a commission base of $24.74. So essentially, that's the bulk of what you need to know in terms of looking at the dashboard. You need to understand your commission base, which is how much revenue you've sold. Estimated commission is the most important because that's what comes into your pocket. That's after the shop has taken away what it needs to take away, and TikTok have taken away what they need to take away as well. And that's what that looks like. In terms of how happy I am with my performance, obviously it could be better. I think what's happened and what I'm trying to work on resolving at the moment is the products that I've selected have quite a low commission. So even though I've had those 6 orders, the commission has been around 10% or so. And as it just so happens, the products that are selling the most are the ones with the lowest commission on my account. So the algorithm is pushing products that I am promoting, and out of those products that I'm promoting, it's the ones that seem to have a really low commission, which is fine. It's just the way that it's fallen with the algorithm. It's just the way that it's fallen in terms of what people are enjoying from my profile, that's absolutely fine. But I think my learnings going forward would be try and focus only on products that have a high commission rate. And the way you can do that, I'm just going to go into product marketplace. So you can actually filter here by commission. So if I go back, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean here. So there we go. So if you go on recommended for you, there at the bottom, if I go filter, you can filter by commission rate, as you can see. So if I want more than 30% commission, I'm just going to say that there. And then I'm going to say I want a high store rating as well. So what I'm saying to TikTok here is show me products that have more than a 30% commission from shops that have a high store rating. So essentially shops that have been rated really well by people that have received the products from that shop. I'm not going to go super because that's a little bit unrealistic, because super shops don't tend to give a high results. Okay, no products available yet. So let's go back and play with the filter again. I'm going to say, okay, let's reduce it to 20 to 30%. And again, we're going to stay on high store rating. And let's view results. There we go. So if I had focused on products that have around maybe £5 commission, £3 commission, that's Celtic sea salt there. I've got the organic magnesium supplement at $3.79 and so forth. I've got the Strong Life capsules there. So you can see how you can find products that have a high commission. That's that trio affirmation spinner necklace as well. That's £9. Quite a few different products here that have relatively decent commission, and you do get really high commissions on here as well. Like if you focus on products that are in the homeware section, for example, and that side of it, those tend to offer a much higher commission rate. I'm planning on doing to try and raise my conversion and my sales, as apart from just generally looking around and seeing the types of videos that work, I'm also planning on focusing on the products that have brought me in the most amount of views. And in my case, you can see it seems to be the Astronaut Projector Lite. I'm going to create more and more videos around that. I'm also going to try and include more call to actions as well in my videos, because I tend to focus more on how the Astronaut Projector Lite looks and what the features are and what the effects of it are, as opposed to focusing on mentioning the price in the videos and kind of outlining any sales or prices for the product. Now, as you can see, I have also got these products physically in hand as well that I'm promoting on here, which is also another really key thing to remember around TikTok Shop. You need to have the product in hand in order to almost guarantee that you're not going to get taken down or flagged by TikTok. Yes, there are people that are doing green screen videos as well. They do work. However, it's kind of a sliding on thin ice type of situation at the moment, because there's nothing on TikTok to say that you are allowed to promote products without having them in hand. Yes, you can show them on the screen via green screen, but it's a bit of a debatable question at the moment in terms of whether you should or not. Personally, I don't see the problem with it. I see a lot of people doing it and being successful with it, but what I've done is I've focused on having the products in hand here. Now, if you tune in for the next episode, as I say, I'm going to try and be as transparent as possible in terms of my progress on this account and the journey of essentially growing and seeing how much money we can make as a TikTok Shop affiliate. I've not been up and running for a long time. As you can see, I've only got a small amount of followers, but I'm excited to see where this goes next. Equally, if you guys have got any questions for me, do let me know. Be more than happy to answer them in the next video as well. But I hope that gave you guys some insight in terms of how to set up a TikTok Shop and how to navigate the dashboard, how to go about selecting products. I'd be happy to go into deeper dives in future on the different aspects, like how to create the video, getting the product in hand, whether you have to pay for it or not, getting samples from shop owners, and that side of it, hopefully give you guys more insight into that. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy that, and I will see you guys in the next one.